Make $100 every single day using this free strategy. This is a brand new method to make money online in 2021. Well, of course, you're wondering how? Stay tuned as I will show you the full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this strategy from A to Z and let it generate profit in a passive method. Make sure to pay full attention to every second of the video, because I will drop some exclusive tips and tricks that you can consider to maximize your earnings. It can pay you up to $100 over and over for less than a weekend's worth of work. And the more time you spend working on it, the higher will be your chances of making money online. Yes, you got that right. You can spend your next weekend working on it and start receiving payments regularly without spending any more time following up or monitoring data and reports. It's all taken care of by the platform. This strategy is one of the best and probably the easiest for beginners. I will explain it in detail and share with you all the steps needed to start making money ASAP. Make sure to follow every step on this video to earn the maximum out of this method. If you just go ahead and skip to the end, you would probably miss some important instructions and tricks, and you might not make any money at the end of the day, and probably waste your time and resources as well. The best part about this method is the fact that it works worldwide. So, no matter where you are right now, if you pay attention to each section of this video, you will be able to use this method and generate an online income. Sounds cool, right? Let's jump into it. But first, welcome back to the Miss Finance YouTube channel, where we teach and share with you strategies and methods on how to make money online every single day. I spend a lot of time testing many different strategies and share them with you guys for absolutely free. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. It helps us more than you can imagine. The website we are going to use today to make money online is BrandCrowd.com. It's a brand new platform that I'd like to introduce to you in today's video. BrandCrowd is a global marketplace where people can buy and sell their logo designs for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. When I discovered this website a few months back, I was using it as a platform for graphic brainstorming. I usually click on logo ideas to check out these stylish logos which are made with a high level of creativity. You can also choose by category, color, or even font. To be honest with you, looking at these logos gives me a lot of inspiration when I am about to create one for my customers. Well, I kept using this website this way until I learned about the strategy that I am sharing with you right now. Here's how it works. I want you to go to the home page, scroll down and hit on Sell Logo. We will get to the designer section where we can learn about the entire process. The steps are all explained here. The platform helps you turn your graphic designs into money, become a contributing designer, and earn regular payments. You're paid every time someone uses your logo or buys the exclusive rights. In the second situation, your logo will be removed from the platform, as the seller will get full ownership. When a seller purchases your logo, you can make at least $100, but you can charge even higher if you want to. But make sure that the price is justified. I know some of you guys are wondering how they can make money designing logos if they don't have any skills or knowledge in terms of graphic design. Is that even possible? Well, you don't have to worry about that. I've got a solution for you, so keep watching. What I like about this structure is the fact that it helps you generate a healthy and passive income. In other words, you can earn money while you sleep. How cool is that? And on top of that, it's a completely free platform. You can scroll down to read the answers to some questions that you might have regarding the application process, payment methods, and so on. Once you're ready to start selling your logo, you can hit on Join Now. You will be directed to the application form. Just complete it and hit on Submit. You will be able to set up your account afterward, and you're good to go. Alright guys, let's apply now so we can move on to the second part where the magic happens. I will teach you how to build a creative and stylish logo for absolutely free with zero knowledge of graphic design. This is going to be a super exciting video. Make sure to watch it until the end. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. The website we will use to create logos is canva.com. I am sure that many of you are already using this platform. It's probably one of the most popular platforms to design artworks, such as presentations, thumbnails, posters, and more importantly, logos. 90% of the templates and tools on Canva could be used for free, except for some premium elements which could be bought individually or as part of your premium membership. Well, to create a logo, you need to come over here. Type logo and choose the first result. You will be taken to the editing studio. The cool thing is that you don't need to create a logo from scratch. You can choose from the thousands of free templates available here. You can search by theme. As we are reselling the logo on another platform, we need to focus on formal designs, as most sellers are professionals. Let me make a logo for a restaurant. It will only take 10 minutes to complete, and you will have a logo that you can sell for $100. We just need to enter the right keyword here and choose one of the designs displayed in this section. We will have an endless number of possibilities. I find this one quite attractive and simple. After choosing a template, we will be given the flexibility to adjust the color, text, background, etc. Avoid creating complicated logos. Since we are selling them afterward, we need to make sure that they can be sold to a large number of restaurant owners. Once done, simply click on Download and select the PNG format. Then hit on Download. That's it! Submit the logo to BrandCrowd and start making money online. And this brings us to the end of the video. Feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comment section below. And before we go, consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we release a new video. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video.